Okay, friends. Now we will discuss about investment. Just like you are civil engineer, you are mechanical engineer, you are doctor, it doesn't matter. But whatever you are earning, you are earn at the end of month. How much money you are investing for your future plan or not? That's also most important because people are earning a lot of money, but they are not investing in the proper way, so that they are getting a lack of money at the age of, or you can say at the end of their job. So I would like to say tell you some tips. So through that you can definitely you can invest proper management of your money, just like a systematic investment plan, SIP, mutual fund, equity, stock market. You can invest in these sectors, or you can say in these options your money. Just like I would like to tell you some one example. I heard, I am also using a YouTube platform. So through that, I learn so many things. And villagers must, those who are from, not doing this investment. So they remember about that. They have to need to start at the early age, because it is time taken process. And in the time, what happen? How much time you will invest, that money will be increased. Just like if you start since now, then you will get more returns at the end of duration. So I would like to tell you about mutual funds. You can invest in that also. At one time investment there is also available. Through that also you can invest your money, because whatever money you are earning, just like example I am giving one small example. If you are earning 20,000 per month, so your money you have to divide in the certain phases, like that key 50, 20, 30. 50% it should be your need, and then 20% is your wants. Need means your rent, room rent, your grocery, everything. And wants means if you want to buy car, you want to buy uh, two wheelers, or if you want to buy something, TV, anything in your home, that is a part of want. And need is 50%, want is 20%, and 30% is should be in is your investment. Just like you have 20,000 salary, so 10,000 is goes to your uh, uh, basically needs. So rest of we have to 7,000 is in your wants, and 3,000 rupees you must invest in proper way. Just like you can do the SIP also, you can invest in the mutual fund as well as in the stock also. So what happen in the SIP, I think you will definitely get more uh, returns, and there is no big risk. So anyone can do SIP and mutual fund. Anyone can do. Common ordinary person also can do. There is no rocket science, or you can say no much knowledge required for that. But you must about learn about certain things which is about returns and all. So that we have to see. And there is some IND. IND is app. Through that also you can get a lot of information regarding to the mutual fund performance, how they will perform in the next 10 years, next 2 years, 5 years, or whatever it may be you are searching. So that will be definitely help you, because if you see those who are villagers, or you can say, I would like to tell you one big example, Ambani and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Why they are become such a big, or you can say a rich person? Because they invest their money somewhere. Because it is not like that ki whatever money they earn they totally put into the bank. No, they invest in the stock, or you can say in the mutual fund for the some duration, 20, 50, 30 years. So now they are getting big returns and they are become a rich man. So that is the thing, we have to start to our investment as soon as possible. What happen, we think like, yeah, no, it is not a phase to invest our invest money. We must buy some big, house or car or anything. I'm saying that if you are buying house, it should not be early age. Because what happen, if you buy any house, so you will have to pay EMI, and as well as the whatever the deposit at the initial we have to pay. So what happen, we're totally bound into the EMI and all these things. So at the initial, avoid that and invest your money in other way, whatever I told you. And don't forget that 50 20 30, 50 20 30, just fit in your mind, because 50% put payment for your needs, 20% put it for your wants, and 30% put in your investment. So through that you will definitely get big drastic change in your income after the 4 5 years. But I would like to suggest you, don't make plan for the 1 year 2 years, make plan for the 10 year 20 year. So through that you will get more returns, and definitely that will help you at the old age, or you can say you will get more returns, more amount. So through that also you can buy good big bungalows. So make such a kind of plans, so through that you will definitely get good money or returns at the end of a duration. So I hope you understand how to invest your money and all. So those who are, if you have doubt, you can comment me. I will definitely give the solution over that. And don't forget that investment, because which is very important nowadays. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel, and bye bye.